Look, I don't say I'm perfect. I sin and I seek forgiveness from Allah all the time. It's easy to fall into sin and mistakes and whatever. And now you have a lot of TikTok videos that talk about, if you do it once, it's a mistake. If you do it 2 times, don't give a shit what TikTok says, to be honest. You fall into sin, but you should always turn back to Allah. And I know what I do this for. I do this for my grandmother, and now for my kids as well. My daughter, who is Yana Leila Asif. I say her full name because she says that's her full name. She's 3 this year. She's a spitting image of my grandmother, The way she sits, she does this thing where she sits like my grandmother.
Oh, yeah.
Subhanallah, man. Do you get it? But, yeah.
So your grandma never really left you, in one sense, if you think about it. Ona di nishani koi na koi reh jandi na, godiyan di.
Yeah.
Subhanallah.
Yeah.
Wow. Allahu Akbar.